Let's talk about the Python replace attribute. Now, first of all, this only works with a string, so you can't use it with numbers. But what it does is it replaces a small string within a larger string, and you can replace anything you want. We'll have an example and it'll be very clear. The format is, this is the name of your string variable, dot replace, and then the target substring, and then the substring you're going to replace that with. So this is what you're looking for, and this is what you're going to replace it with. String variable is the variable containing the string to act upon. So this is, again, is the string that your string that you want to do this to. So this is where we're going to look for the target string, and this is where we're going to replace it. You must save the result to a new string variable or nothing's going to happen. So my example here is new string equals string variable dot replace old, the old string, and then the string you're going to replace it with, the new string. Okay, so let's run this and it'll be immediately obvious. Well, first let's go over this example. So first we have S equals hello Joseph. So this is our list and it contains the string hello Joseph. Our output, so again we need to save this or nothing's going to happen. We say S output equals S dot replace Joseph with William. So if this works right, we're going to replace this name Joseph with the name William. So let's run this before we get too far ahead. And over here it says hello William. So our first string was hello Joseph, and we replaced it with Joseph with William, and sure enough, hello William. Let's look at this one. S equals, so our string equals hello Joseph, Joseph, Joseph. And our output, here's our output variable. We take our Joseph, Joseph, Joseph string and we say S dot replace Joseph, comma, William, comma, 2. Now, when we run this, we print it, it says hello William, William, Joseph. So it replaced the third iteration of it. Remember, Python begins with 0, so it's 0, 1, 2. So over here I said 2. This is the 0th instance of William. This is the first instance of William, and then this is the second instance of William. So it replaced that with Joseph. And that's it. So you can pick a string within another string and replace it as you wish. Okay, well that was it. I hope you found this useful and interesting in your Python programming.